Or a mean face? You want to have a scary face?
A mean face? I want to have a mean face.
You want to have a mean face, huh?
Uh-huh.
I think, should we draw a face on first and then cut her, or should we just start cutting?
Put a face on her. Put a face on her. Yeah, put a face on her. Put a face on her. Put a face on her. Let's put the face on her.
Sit down. Stay in your chair.
Oh, see.
Pretty neat, huh?
It's pretty neat.
Where'd that lid go?
There we go. I'm going to do this. See?
All right, time to make a face.
Huh.
Where should we put the nose? Right here?
Well, there.
Think so?
That's the nose. That's the nose.
Yeah. Is Mom gonna come help?
Mommy, we are making a nose.
You are.
And a pumpkin.
There's where his nose is.
Go on his noses.
Pretty neat, huh?
Ah.
Make some eyes on him.
What's this? I start this pumpkin. What's they open the pumpkin up?
Oh, look at that.
Look at it.
You making a face?
What's this? You can toss it.
Yeah.
Oh, you can.
Is he making the nose?
He's making a face. Yes, a man pumpkin.
Yeah.
But it's a man one. It's man pumpkin. Hey, that looks like candy.
Does it?
Ah. But look at the lid.
Like that? What are you doing?
I put it back on.
You can't put that on there. We gotta carve his eyeballs.
Touch his eyeballs. Put this back on. I'll put this back on.
Keep putting back on anymore, huh?
That's what stuff on. Back the stuff on.
There. What do you think of those eyes? Those look like okay eyes, Mom?
Yep.
Won't fit anymore. Careful, you'll wreck it. You'll break it. You break the pumpkin.
Mom said no.
Should he have a smiley face or not?
What kind of face do we want to have on our pumpkin? A smiley face?
I tried to sing it. Hey, how we get this out?
I don't know.
How we put this out? How we put that out?
It's probably stuck now. It's stuck.
How we did it? Out.
It's stuck.
This cup.
Yeah.
Why? Why it's stuck?
You don't like the eyebrows, Mom?
What is eyebrows?
I'm the dad. It's my job to do this.
I know.
You know, huh? This what daddies are for?
Days for.
Want me to flash do
Probably.
Almost ready. Come on. How would you see?
Look at that. Now he's got a face.
Look at it. Mom, look at Mom.
What?
Look at it.
Look at the pumpkin. Now we can eat the pumpkin.
She wants to eat him, Mom. How's
That's
he look?
neat.
How does he look?
Oh, Kristen, you got the hat on.
Put the hat on him.
Where's the hat goes?
Alright.
What is something? Someone did something.
Is that
Careful.
picture of the
Don't
camera?
push it in.
Angle picture?
Should be. Unless you move it.
Look at his hat.
What do you think of that?
Perfect.
Perfect?
Uh-huh.
Oh, look at it, he's got-
That eye.
He's got eyes. Does he have big old eyes?
He does.
What else does he need? Does he need anything else?
We need to glue some stuff on, make him ears. Daddy didn't make him any ears.
Does he need some ears?
No. I would like ears on him.
You don't want ears on him?
No.
What are we
Needs
going
a
to do with
hat.
him now?
He needs a hat.
What are we going to do with him now?
You want some ears on him.
Oh, now you want ears.
I was thinking.
Let's see, how can we make some ears here? I've never done ears before.
Put one of these on. Put the eye thing on.
Maybe toothpicks?
Big cat, quit!
Paper clips. Grab me a couple paper clips.
That's great.
I'm the guy.
You want a diaper. Tell you I want a diaper. Hey! Hey, look at the pumpkin!
Yeah? Let's see what's an ear look like.
Hey, come and lift it.
Oh, you guys made a nice one.
Mama!
Alright, put his hat back on.
Look at this. Look. Look at.
Gee, that's his hat, huh?
What is?
That is top.
There we go, Mama.
You made such a pretty. What you making now?
Making. I think he's making ears. Make another ear. With the
Yeah,
outfit.
Mom's laughing at us, but that's okay. We don't
He's
care, do we?
cute.
Mom,
Hey,
look.
Kristen, what are you gonna name him?
I don't know. How about we name Pumpkin? We name him Pumpkin.
That makes sense, Mom.
Okay.